Here are 20 of the most dangerous and powerful heavy equipment giants in the world. 1. Big Bud 747, world's largest farm tractor. Weight: 135,000 pounds. Power: 1,100 HP. Danger: can crush cars effortlessly. One of the widest and heaviest tractors ever built. 2. Bagger 293, bucket wheel excavator. Height: 314 feet. Use: strip mining in Germany. Danger: eats through 240,000 tons of soil daily. Unstoppable when in motion. 3. Komatsu D575A, 3 Super Dozer. Weight: 153 tons. Power: 1,150 HP. Danger: bulldozes mountains, too powerful to use near people or buildings. 4. Liebherr T282B, mining dump truck. Payload: 400 tons. Danger: taller than a house. If you're in its blind spot, you're invisible. 5. Caterpillar 797F mining truck. Weight: loaded 1.4 million pounds. Danger: tires alone are 13 feet tall. Colliding with one could flatten a bus. 6. BelAZ 75710, world's largest dump truck. Payload: 496 tons. Danger: dual engines, 8 giant wheels, and zero forgiveness for errors. 7. Hitachi EX 8000-6, hydraulic mining excavator. Weight: 800 tons. Bucket: holds 75 tons. Danger: scoops boulders like gravel. One swing could destroy a small building. 8. Bucyrus RH400, giant mining excavator. Bucket capacity: 100 tons. Danger: hydraulic beast with a destructive range the size of a tennis court. 9. PNH 4100 XPC, electric rope shovel. Weight: 1,650,000 pounds. Danger: moves earth at terrifying speed, used in high-risk mining zones. 10. Laterno L2350, world's largest wheel loader. Bucket: 53 cubic yards. Danger: one scoop can carry 80 tons. Not built for close human interaction. 11. Mamoet PTC 200DS, ring crane. Lifting power: 5,000 tons. Danger: lifts entire buildings. If it collapses, it's a catastrophic event. 12. Caterpillar D11 dozer. Weight: 250,000 pounds. Danger: rips through stone, ice, or anything else, built to demolish. 13. Volvo EC950F crawler excavator. Power: 603 HP. Danger: extreme speed and pressure for demolition and rock work. 14. Terex MT6300 AC. Payload: 400 tons. Danger: speed plus size equals unstoppable. Any impact is fatal. 15. Demag CC 8800-1 twin, heavy lift crane. Lift capacity: 3,200 tons. Danger: one of the tallest cranes. Any miscalculation could lead to massive collapse. 16. John Deere X9 combine harvester. Cut width: 50 feet. Danger: rapidly devours entire fields. Could turn a person to dust in seconds. 17. Komatsu PC8000-6 Mining Excavator. Bucket, 70 tons. Danger: power and reach make it extremely risky in unstable environments. 18. Dragline Excavator, Marion 8200. Boom length, over 300 feet. Danger: built for coal mining, can swing tons of material dangerously. 19. Hyundai R1200-9 Crawler Excavator. Weight, 120 tons. Danger: designed for extreme rock work. Razor-sharp teeth on the bucket. 20. Tunnel Boring Machine, Bertha, Seattle TBM. Length, 300 feet. Danger: grinds underground, blindly. Once it starts, it's nearly impossible to stop. These machines operate on a deadly scale, where extreme pressure, massive size, and intense power combine to create real-world titans of destruction. Their danger isn't just in what they do, it's in how fast and brutally they can do it.